Are you looking for some new custom faces for your Apple Watch? Well, here at Buckle & Band, we've just released 4 brand new art packs which contain tons of wallpapers for your Apple Watch. Here's how you install it. Hey there, welcome to the video. So if you love your Apple Watch as much as I do, I bet you wish there was more custom faces available for your Apple Watch, just so you can add some more personalization to it. Well, unfortunately, Apple Watch doesn't allow Apple faces in the Watch App Store. So that's why our design team here at Buckle & Band created 4 new art packs that you can download and use as a watch wallpaper on your Apple Watch. Now, the best part about it is you can get these Apple Watch faces completely free of charge if you're part of the Buckle & Band Insider mail list. Now, I'll put a link in the description below because it's free to join. So if you want to get these paid faces free, join this group and you'll get a discount code so they become absolutely free as an insider. So check out the link in the description below. So to grab the Apple Watch faces, head to buckleandband.com, go to Wallpapers and choose the wallpaper packs that you would like. Simply enter the code that you've got to get them for free and then download them to your iPhone, your Mac, or your PC. Now, once you've downloaded the art packs from Buckle & Band to your Mac or PC, you just need to get them across to your iPhone. Now, of course, you can download them straight to your iPhone, but if you have downloaded them first to your Mac or iPad, you can airdrop them across to your iPhone super easy. If you've downloaded them to a Windows PC, all you'll need to do is find a way of emailing them across so you can access them on your iPhone and then save them to your iPhone's camera roll. Okay, so once we've got the wallpapers on the iPhone, it's super easy to create an Apple Watch face. So all you need to do is go to your iPhone, find the one that you want to make into your Apple Watch face. So I'm going to choose this one down here. And then all you need to do is go to the bottom left of your iPhone, go to the share button, scroll up until you get to this section here that says create watch face. Tap that and you'll see it says choose watch face. Tap that again. You can add extra complications here. We've actually designed it so the time fits in the perfect position. So just hit add. This is going to send this watch face to your Apple Watch. And there you go. You have a brand new watch face on your Apple Watch. And of course, just repeat this step to add any of the other wallpapers as an additional watch face to your Apple Watch. So let me know if you've got any questions below. If you need any help installing these, please do put it in the comment section below because I do get back to every single question asked. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video because we have a ton of Apple Watch tips up here on the channel. Make sure to check them out.